Ibrahim Yekini, ITELE, and FUNMI AWELEWA spark relationship rumors after photos surface online. The Nollywood industry is buzzing with excitement as popular actors Ibrahim Yekini, known as ITELE, and FUNMI AWELEWA have set social media ablaze with speculations about a possible romantic relationship. This comes after fans spotted a series of intimate photos featuring the duo, shared across various platforms. In the pictures, ITELE and FUNMI appear relaxed and happy, with their body language suggesting a deeper connection. From playful selfies to moments captured behind the scenes, these images have left fans convinced that something special might be brewing between the two stars. Their on-screen chemistry. ITELE and FUNMI have shared the spotlight in several Yoruba movies, known for their captivating performances and undeniable chemistry. Fans often praise their ability to bring life to romantic roles, and now many believe that their on-screen romance might have spilled into real life. Fan reactions. The internet has been flooded with mixed reactions. Some fans have congratulated the duo, expressing excitement at the possibility of their favorite stars finding love. Others are waiting for an official statement, with a few skeptics dismissing the rumors as a publicity stunt. One fan wrote, "They look so good together. If this is true, I am all for it." Another commented, "It's about time they confirmed what we've all been suspecting." No official statement yet. Despite the widespread rumors, both ITELE and FUNMI have remained tight-lipped, neither confirming nor denying the relationship. This silence has only fueled more speculation, with fans eagerly watching their social media accounts for hints or announcements. What's next? As the rumor mill continues to spin, fans are encouraged to stay tuned for updates. Don't miss out on any developments. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for exclusive updates, behind-the-scenes content, and all the latest Nollywood gist.